Welcome to Brad on Drums. Today we're going to talk again about how to increase your single stroke roll speed, this time using one-handed exercises. So if you want to learn to play fast like Buddy Rich or any one of your favorite players, you've come to the right place. For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Brad Allen. I'm a former U.S. Army drummer, now based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many hundreds of drummers to develop great stick control, including my student Matthew Lam, who won a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Okay, one-handed exercises. This was a concept taught by George Lawrence Stone, the author of the book Stick Control for the Snare Drummer. The idea is you should develop each hand individually before putting them together. There are a couple reasons for this. First, it takes less coordination to play with one hand. It's immediately more difficult to play when you add the second hand. It's true with drumming, just like everything else you do in life. You have to learn to walk before you can run. Developing the hands separately takes away at least one level of difficulty, and so it enables you to develop your speed more easily than just practicing with both hands together. The second reason is when you think about it, you can only play a single stroke roll as fast as your weaker hand will allow you to. So it makes sense to develop them individually before you put them together. If this is making sense to you, please click the like button below. This will also start to make a lot more sense to you as I start showing you the exercises. So let's get started. Exercise 1, we're going to start with just 4 eighth notes with each hand. I personally practice this whole exercise with 3 different grips, French, German, and traditional. You don't have to do that. It depends on what your goals are. I will say that practicing with French grip will help you improve your finger technique for the German matched grip as well. That exercise is short, which really doesn't do much for your endurance, but it will help develop your finger technique some more. Work the exercise up as fast as you can. Start out slow and gradually work it up. The faster you go, the more you should use your fingers. Let the stick do the work. Think of it like dribbling a ball off the head or a pad. Here's with the French grip. By the way, while we are on the subject of speed, I've got some great exercises that will really help you with that. These are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win that fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. I'll send you a copy of them for free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a copy. Okay, exercise 2. So as we start extending the first exercise, we gain more endurance. Again, work it up as fast as possible. At slower tempos, you're going to use the wrists more, and as you get faster, you'll use your fingers more. You won't be able to play the second exercise, the second part, as fast as you can play the first part, but that's okay. Just work it up as fast as you can. Exercise 3. Now we'll extend that exercise some more. Again, work that up as fast as you can. You should work up all 3 sections separately and then start combining them. You can play each exercise once and then move on to the next without stopping. You can play each exercise twice. You can actually play each line up to 50 times without stopping if you want, if you have the time and patience. But you will also get a lot out of the exercise by playing each line anywhere between 1 to 4 times as well. Next, we'll do the same with triplets. And as I mentioned earlier, doing a short exercise like this is especially good for finger technique. All right, here's triplet exercise 2. Triplet exercise 3. And just like before, you can combine all 3 triplet exercises. Again, you can do each line 1 time or as many as 50 times. At any point, you can also go back and work on each individual line as well. Work on this daily for a while. This will greatly increase your finger and your single stroke speed. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have some more really effective speed exercises that I'd like to send you. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Now, please comment below and tell me what grips you use. Traditional, matched, or French, or all 3. Are you trying to learn a new grip? Please comment below. Or even if you just want to comment helpful, that would be really awesome. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And thank you for watching. I have a whole playlist for developing stick control. Please watch those videos next, and I'll see you for the next video.